So this is part 2 of the Tandy after we have finished at the Apple Macintosh ordeal earlier. Puppies, John, Dinah, and it's been such a long time since I've installed DRAM chips. Yeah. One thing I remember though, it helps if the actual legs go inside the socket. So I think I have a pretty good explanation as to why it didn't detect the memory. Because I'm an idiot. Let's reseat those properly and see how it works. Oh, Tandy. Oh. You know, I forgot just how not fun this is. Trying to get the legs just shaped the right way to go into the sockets. So I'm not going to torture everybody by filming the whole process. Besides, there will probably be a lot of, for lack of a better term, unchristian-like language as I'm trying to do this. So through the magic of video editing, the next thing you should see is if it does the RAM count properly or not. We interrupt this memory upgrade because my Game Boy, my second Game Boy now, was just delivered. So later on, we'll do a video about this. As far as the memory goes here, I've got 2 of the chips in, 2 more to go. But now, goodness gracious, after a day at the storage shed, and now this and this has been one of the best Saturdays in a long time. So anyway, we'll get back to this later. Let's finish up the Tandy. Is it sexist if you look at a microchip and say, hey baby, nice legs? Thanks to the supervision of Rupert, I believe now they are in. So now there's only one thing to do. Test it and see if that game that would not run on the 512K will now run. So let's hook it up. All right, here goes. Hey, 768K. That's what we wanted to see. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off before it starts booting and everything, but I think it'll be safe to go ahead and put the thing back together now and play some games. I can't remember if it was Stunts that I tried last time or if it was Lemmings. Either way, I'm going to try both. I wonder if Stunts supports Tandy graphics and sound. I think it does. Sweet! Sorry about the refresh rate, guys. Yep. Copy protection has failed me again, has foiled my plans once again. So I'll have to find out the way to circumvent that or find the disc or something. All right, well, we're still, I'm glad that the memory upgrade worked. So that just opens the doors to more stuff I can do with my Tandy. I'm gonna put it back in its little corner now where I call BBSs all the time, and I've got something new and shiny to open and play with. So thank you. Please subscribe to us on Patreon and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks.